today's topic will be on fundoscopy, या उसको दूसरा वर्ड भी बोलते हैं ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोपी. ठीक है. सो ऑप्थेल्मो से ये जो वर्ड है ये कहाँ से आते हैं? द आईज. ठीक है. जो हमारी आईज है, बोथ लेफ्ट आई एंड राइट आई. ठीक है. अगर कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम, इफ देयर इज एनी ट्यूमर इन आवर आईज, या कोई भी फॉरेन बॉडी है, या कोई भी any strict narrowing of the arteries, blood vessels हैं, arteries है. ठीक है. अगर इसमें कोई narrowing है, stricture है, ठीक है, अगर कोई भी explosion of the because of high pressure in the arteries, ठीक है, explosion हो सकता है, explode हो सकता है, तो there will be injury. कि कोई भी bleeding है हमारी eyes के अंदर, that all we can identify by ophthalmoscopy. या दूसरा नाम क्या है? fundoscopy. ठीक है. So first we'll start with the introduction. Okay, what is ophthalmoscopy? Okay, so ophthalmoscopy, it is a clinical examination of the interior of the eye by means of an ophthalmoscope. ठीक है. ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट देखो, दो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है. ये जो एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं एंड ऑल्सो दिस लाइक अ हेलमेट. ठीक है. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप. ठीक है. जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट, जो डिवाइस हम यूज कर रहे हैं उसका नाम है ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप, लेकिन जो प्रोसीजर है उसका नाम है ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोपी या फंडोस्कोपी. ठीक है. So basically, ophthalmoscopy or fundoscopy is a clinical examination of the interior. Interior का मतलब है inner side. ठीक है. Inside of the eye, जो भी parts है, all the parts of the eyes, like retina हो गया, choroid है ना, retina, choroid, pigment epithelium. ठीक है. The arteries, the blood vessels in our eyes, all these will be identified, will be examined by using procedure ophthalmoscopy. Okay? So अगर कोई भी इंजरी या कोई भी डैमेज हो जाते हैं इन दी पिगमेंट एरिया, ठीक है, और इफ देयर इज any injury or any cut or any problem or any damage in the choroid layer या retina में, okay, or if there is any narrowing of the arteries of the eyes, then we can identify by using ये जो procedure है इसका नाम है ophthalmoscopy. So it is primarily done to assess the state of fundus. ठीक है. तो fundus क्या होता है? Fundus, it is basically the bottom or the base of the eyes. ठीक है. Base, bottom मतलब है inner layer. ठीक है. The innermost layer of the eyes. Okay, इसके अंदर क्या आते हैं? हमारी retina, choroid, ठीक है, epithelium, pigment epithelium. ठीक है. Then we also have a membrane and also there are arteries. ठीक है. So we have the retina, we have the optic disc. ठीक है. There is an optic disc also inside the eyes. Okay. So all these can be identified, can be examined, can be visualized by using ophthalmoscope. So it detects to assess the state of fundus and detect any opacity of the ocular media. Okay. If there is any damage, if there is any damage in the blood vessel, if there is any injury, अगर कोई bleeding है, arteries explode हो जाते हैं because of high pressure, intraocular pressure की वजह से ये जो हमारी blood vessels है वो explode हो जाते हैं, burst हो जाते हैं, तो उसकी वजह से bleeding हो सकती है. So there will be bleeding in our eyes, there will be bleeding in the retina, there can be bleeding in the choroid layer, there can be bleeding in the pigmented layer. So all these can be identified by ophthalmoscopy. और ये जो ophthalmoscopy है, it was invented by a person named von Helmholtz in 1850. Okay, so in 1850 it was invented, okay, by a person named as von Helmholtz. Okay, so you can see there are two devices. This is a direct ophthalmoscope and this is an indirect thalmoscope. Okay, indirect thalmoscope हम use कर रहे हैं. This is this like a helmet. Okay, so we have the doctor or the optometrist or ophthalmologist, they have to wear a helmet and they have to use एक lens use करना. This is called as a convergence lens. Okay, तो ये जो lens है ये भी use करना. So they have to use two things in indirect ophthalmoscope. ठीक है. और ये जो ऊपर वाला पिक्चर है, दिस इज द डायरेक्ट ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप, मतलब वी आर जस्ट डायरेक्टली ऑब्जर्विंग द कंडीशन ऑफ द आईज। Is this clear with the definition of ophthalmoscopy? किसी को डाउट है?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then what is the procedure? ठीक है, what are the steps we have to follow if we are doing ophthalmoscopy? ठीक है, so number 1, ये जो procedure है ये हमें semi dark room, ये पूरा dark नहीं होना चाहिए, but there should be semi dark room and the patient should be seated, उसको comfortable position में बिठा दो, ठीक है, tell the patient to look straight, ठीक है, look straight ahead and the observer या जो doctor है, he will stand in front of the patient and he will identify the condition of the eyes. अगर right eye में कोई भी problem है, patient is complaining of sign and symptom, जैसे pain in the left side of the eye, ठीक है, और patient can complain of any irritation या discomfort, ठीक है, in the left eye, ठीक है, so the doctor will identify the doctor will stand on the left side और वो by using the ophthalmoscope he can identify the condition of the eye. Number 2, the observer should reflect a beam of light from the ophthalmoscope into the patient's pupil, ठीक है, so जब ये procedure, ठीक है, आज ये picture, so you can see if the doctor is using direct ophthalmoscope, ठीक है, तो एक red light हमें focus करना है on the eye, there should be a red light coming from the ophthalmoscope, ठीक है, so he should reflect a beam of light from the ophthalmoscope into the patient's pupil, okay? Then once the red reflex is seen, the observer should move as close as possible to the patient's eye, ठीक है, एक बार light focused हो जाते हैं या red light निकल जाते हैं from the ophthalmoscope, then we have to come a little bit closer and we have to identify by looking at the ophthalmoscope, ठीक है, we can identify the condition of the fundus of the patient. Then once the retina is focused, the details can be examined. Okay, so we have to identify the retina, which is very important. Okay, because in retina there are blood vessels, and if the intraocular pressure ज़्यादा increased हो जाते हैं, तो what happens is जो blood vessels हैं in the arteries in the retina, it can burst, it can explode. ठीक है, जब arteries explode हो जाते हैं, there will be internal bleeding, hemorrhage हो सकता है. So if there is any bleeding, if there is any hemorrhage in the eyes, then it can cause blurring of vision. So ये जो vision है, eyes की जो vision है, that also will be damaged. Then coming to the types of ophthalmoscope. Ophthalmoscopy, ठीक है, ये जो ophthalmoscopy या fundoscopy है, दो types की होते हैं, एक है direct और दूसरा है indirect, ठीक है, और डायरेक्ट ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोपी हम ये वाला इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज कर रहे हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप, ठीक है, सो वन साइड ये जो यू कैन सी द टू होल्स हियर, ओके, सो दीज होल्स आर फॉर द रेड लाइट, ठीक है, एंड द अदर साइड वी हैव टू ये जो होल वाला साइड है, ये पेशेंट के मतलब इट विल बी फोकस्ड ऑन द पेशेंट, और जो दूसरी साइड है वो है डॉक्टर्स की आईज में फोकस्ड हो जाएगी. So direct ophthalmoscopy क्या होता है? It is the most commonly practiced method for routine fundus examination. तो ये जो procedure है, ये OPD setting में भी कर सकते हैं, clinical OPD में we can identify. ठीक है, so by using this we can identify the fundus condition. ठीक है, fundus के अंदर क्या होता है? Fundus is the innermost layer. It has retina. It consists of the retina, choroid. इसके अंदर और भी ब्लड वेसल्स हैं, आर्टरीज हैं, ऑप्टिक डिस्क भी हैं, एंड वी हैव द पिगमेंट एपिथेलियम. सो वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई दीज four things, okay, that will be in the fundus. So it works on the basic principle of glass plate ophthalmoscope, which is introduced by the person who invented ophthalmoscopy. His name is von Helmholtz. The principle for this direct ophthalmoscopy, so it is a convergent beam of light, ठीक है, एक रेड लाइट यहाँ से, ये जो होल है ना, यहाँ से एक रेड लाइट फोकस्ड हो जाता है, निकल जाता है. So a convergent beam of light is reflected into the patient's pupil. Okay, in the patient's pupil, the eyes of the patient, that is the pupil area. So the emergent rays from the point of the patient's fundus will reach the observer's retina through viewing the hole in the ophthalmoscope. ठीक है, so this by using this we can identify, क्योंकि वो जो rays है, वो यहाँ से जो rays आते हैं, rays of light, that will focus the patient's fundus, and also it will on the other side it will focus on the doctor's uh, on the doctor's eyes, that is in the retina. So the observer's retina through the viewing of the hole through the ophthalmoscope. Okay, so this is very this is commonly used. ठीक है, अगर हमें आई चेकअप के लिए जाना है तो मे बी दे कैन यूज दिस ऑल्सो. इफ पेशेंट इज हैविंग कंप्लेंट्स ऑफ इचिंग, ठीक है, रेडनेस, इचिंग, और पूरा जो आईज है, ठीक है, इस patient is having redness, okay, patient is having discomfort, patient is having itching, patient is having burning sensation, or eyes में भी pain है, so the doctor can perform ophthalmoscopy or fundoscopy. Okay? Then here you can see this is a direct ophthalmoscopy. ठीक है, so this is the, तो ये जो दूसरा साइड मैंने दिखाया है, this side, okay, where there are two holes, this will be for the patient. ठीक है, it will face the patient, and ये जो दूसरा साइड है, okay, this will face the doctor. Okay, then you can see here by using direct ophthalmoscopy we can identify the fundus. ठीक है, तो fundus के अंदर क्या क्या आते हैं? It consists of the optic disc. We can identify the arteries. So you can see the arteries, they are very very thin. Okay, you can see the veins also. Okay, so vein and arteries of the blood vessels. So we can identify the veins, we can identify the arteries, we can identify the fovea, maculae, okay, and also the retina, the pigmented epithelium of the eyes, and also the choroid layer. Okay, so all these will be identified or will be seen through the ophthalmoscope. Okay, अगर यहाँ पे अगर आर्टरीज में या वेन्स में, ठीक है, अगर इंट्राओकुलर प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं तो व्हाट हैपन इज, जो आर्टरीज और वेन्स हैं दे विल एक्सप्लोड, वो बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, जब बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं आर्टरीज या वेन्स तो क्या होगा? ब्लीडिंग होगा, इंटरनल ब्लीडिंग इन द आईज. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे यू विल सी रेड ये लाइक अ पैच. ठीक है, रेड कलर या रेड पैच will be seen. Okay, so that will will detect कि patient की eyes में जहाँ पे fundus area है वहाँ पे bleeding. Okay, so here also you can see the optic nerve. Okay, the optic nerve is very important because optic nerve is responsible for vision. है ना? Optic nerve is one of the cranial nerve. Okay, so if there is any damage in the optic nerve, if अगर कोई compression है, ठीक है, if there is any compression in the optic nerve, if there is any damage या कोई भी injury है, ठीक है, so that we can identify by using fundoscopy. So this is a direct ophthalmoscopy or direct fundoscopy. ठीक है, is this clear with everyone? किसी को doubt है? Okay, so can I go to the next type, that is indirect ophthalmoscopy. So here, indirect ophthalmoscopy, okay, so we are using a lens also. Okay, so we are using this the doctor has to wear this helmet. Okay, so this is a indirect ophthalmoscope. This is a monocular or a binocular ophthalmoscope. Okay, so with the help of this, and also they are using a small lens, they will identify the condition of the fundus. Okay, so it is a monocular or a binocular ophthalmoscopy. What are the advantage? It will give a wide field of view. Okay, so we will identify a wide area of the fundus. Okay, if there is any tumor, if there is any stricture or narrowing of the arteries, if there is any tumor in any layer of the eyes, it can be choroid layer या retina layer में, or if there is any any damage or injury in the optic nerve, then we can identify by indirect ophthalmoscopy also. ठीक है. Then second is binocular instrument provides stereopsis. ठीक है, stereopsis का मतलब है in depth, deep जाना है. ठीक है, so what are the layers of the eyes that are very deep? Okay, so they are the optic nerves. Okay, the optic disc. These are very deep layers of the eyes. Okay, so by using this binocular instrument, the binocular ophthalmoscopy, we can identify the parts of the eyes which are very, very deep. Okay? So these are the advantages. Stereopsis का मतलब है in depth. Okay? The parts of the eyes which are very, very deep, which are not being able to see by direct ophthalmoscopy. Then disadvantages क्या है? It requires more skill. Okay? To use this device, to use this binocular or monocular ophthalmoscope, we have to have skills. Okay? Should be properly skilled. Okay, should be properly trained. Then second disadvantage is decreases the magnification. ठीक है, उसको मैग्नीफाई करना है. अगर हमें सिर्फ रेटिना देखना है तो हम by using direct we can magnify, we can expand, zoom कर सकते हैं. But in the indirect ophthalmoscopy we cannot zoom. We cannot zoom the image, or we cannot magnify the image of the fundus. So here there is decreased magnification. Then number 3, it requires dilation. Okay, so before doing this procedure, before doing indirect ophthalmoscopy, हमें eyes की ये जो हमारे patient की eyes है उसको dilate करना है. Okay, so by giving eye drops, okay, eye drops can dilate the eyes of the patient. So it requires dilation. Then we can do the procedure. And the last disadvantage is inverted image. Inverted का मतलब है उल्टा. Okay, so the image that you are going to see, it will be opposite. It will just be upside down. Okay, so these are the disadvantages of using indirect ophthalmoscopy. So that is why direct ophthalmoscopy is very commonly used. Okay, clinical OPD, IOPDs में direct ophthalmoscopy is commonly used. क्यों? क्योंकि it has more advantages than indirect. Okay, and it will give us a more clarity of the image. ठीक है, पूरा जो fundus की जो condition है that we will see properly. Okay? So here you can see this is an indirect ophthalmoscopy. So they have to wear this this monocular or this binocular ophthalmoscope, and they have to use a lens. ठीक है, एक छोटा सा lens भी use करना है. So they have to use 2 things. ठीक है. Then what are the uses of an ophthalmoscope? Number 1, the red free in the ophthalmoscope. वो जो red light आते हैं from the ophthalmoscope, it is used to differentiate between the retina and the choroidal lesions. Then number 2, large aperture is used to examine the fundus through the dilated pupil. Okay, so पहले we have to dilate the eyes of the pupil of the patient, and then we can use the ophthalmoscope. Small aperture is used to examine the fundus with small pupils. So there are 2 aperture, large aperture and small aperture. Okay, large aperture is used to examine the fundus through the dilated pupil. We can use in indirect ophthalmoscope. Small aperture is used to examine the fundus with a small pupil. So this can be used in direct ophthalmoscope. Then ophthalmoscopy it also makes small macroaneurysm and small hemorrhage stand out more clearly. Okay, so with the help of using ophthalmoscope, we can identify if there is any outpouching, if there is any abnormal pocket in the arteries, if there is any hemorrhage, अगर कोई bleeding है, अगर कोई artery या veins ठीक है burst हो जाते हैं because of high pressure. So there will be bleeding, there will be hemorrhage. So we can identify the bleeding or hemorrhage by using ophthalmoscopy. And if there is any abnormal pocket, okay, formation in the arteries, or if there is any abnormal pocket formation in the veins, then we can identify also by using ophthalmoscope. Okay, and also it is helpful in estimating the CD ratio. Okay, so CD ratio is basically the cup to disc ratio. ठीक है, अगर हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है ऑप्टिक डिस्क, ठीक है, सो देयर विल बी अ स्पेसिफिक रेशियो दैट इज कॉल्ड कप टू रेशियो, कप टू डिस्क रेशियो. Okay, so this will be very helpful for the doctors if to identify if there is any damage in the retina. Okay, so these are the uses of ophthalmoscope. Is this clear to everyone? किसी को doubt है? Anybody has any doubt? Second year. किसी ने कुछ पूछा है? Anybody? ठीक है, तो ये जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट है डायरेक्ट ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप, ये हमारी लैब में भी है, फंडामेंटल लैब. ठीक है, सो व्हेन यू कम, मतलब व्हेन यू कम बैक, ओके, सो आई विल वन डे आई विल शो यू दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट. ठीक है, हाउ टू यूज दिस ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप. ठीक है, इनडायरेक्ट सॉरी द डायरेक्ट ऑप्थेल्मोस्कोप. इनडायरेक्ट तो हमारे पास नहीं है, एंड इनडायरेक्ट वाला ये तो दिस आर ओनली प्रोवाइडेड फॉर स्किल्ड, जिसने ट्रेनिंग किया है इसके ऊपर. So the doctors who have done training on indirect ophthalmoscopy, so they can use this. But even nurses also can identify the condition of the fundus by using the direct ophthalmoscope. Okay, so I will show you this instrument when you come by. Okay. किसी को डाउट है यहाँ तक? Anybody has any doubt? You want to ask something?